We are learning CSS, that is cascading style sheet. So in this process here we are going to learning how to use border property in CSS. So for the same reason we have to open a new file, and then we have to go to file, then we have to go to save, and in desktop CSS we will choose the file type as HTML, and here we will choose it border. Say I give the name to the file as border, and I just save this. Here again I have to use, I can use doc type, and then better go with HTML, then head, in the head we have to use title, and here we give border and CSS. Okay, and next we go with body. So before in order to use the border property, we just have to use border property. So for this reason we go with creating of a style. Say I'm using style element over here in the head section, and here I defined. Now we can say that we are having different type of border styles are available over there, like dotted, dash, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, none, hidden, or mix. Okay, so we use all these property attributes value to define it. So first we will take say the selector, and with that we say dotted, and here we specify the value for this. So here we use the border style. Where we go, here we have border style, and here we select value. The first one is dotted. Okay, so same way, and we'll copy this, Control C, and paste this, and this time we choose it as dashed. Then we will paste this, and here we choose solid. Again we will paste this, and this time we will choose double. We again copy this, and this time we will choose say groove. Again we will select this, and this time we will choose say rich. Again we'll copy this, and this time we will choose say inset. Again we will copy this, and this time we will choose this is inset, and this time we will choose outset. This time we will choose say none, and here we choose um, one more values are left over there hidden, and here we choose say okay, something like we will create multiple, like we just want it to be, it will go I will say I'm just going to create it mixed dotted. This will go on top dotted, then it will move clockwise, then I want it dashed, that is to the right side. Then I will select say solid, uh, solid is sorry solid, uh, this is shorthand way of writing property, and solid, and I just want double. Okay, maybe I choose double. Okay, then we have to put a semicolon here. Here we also have to change the name of the class. Here we just name it as dashed. Here we just name it as solid. Here we name it as double. Here we name it as groove. Here we name it as rich. Here we name it inset. Here we name it offset. Here we name it none. Here we name it as say hidden, and to this I say I give it name as say mix. Okay, so in the body section we have to use, now we have write this class for the paragraph element, so we will use paragraph p, and here we specify the class, and the class name is dotted, and here we write this is paragraph. Okay, so we will save this file. Here we save this. Now we wanted to see this file over here, so for this we will go to the file explorer, then we will open this file. This is, here we go, border, open it. Okay, look at this, this is paragraph. We might make some mistakes over there. Okay, this is paragraph. Similarly we will apply another classes. Control C, copy this. Here we go, paste this. This time we will use class dashed. Again paste it, and this time we will use class solid. Here we go again, copy paste this, and this time we will use class double. Save this, see the effect over here. Okay, see the effect over here. Similarly, we can use the rest over there. Have we use class say reach? Have we use class say inset? Have we use class offset? Control save this. Now look at this. This is inset, this is offset. Okay, then we are left with have we use class say have we use class say none. Here we use hidden. And in the last we will use class max. Save this, refresh this. Here we go. In this case we have selected the paragraph with the class none. It means no border is applied to this. In this case it's look like the same, but border is applied to this, but border is hidden over here. Here we have applied the mix. In the mix we have written dotted. So dotted on the top, if we will go clockwise, then dashed on the right side, then we have gone solid at the bottom side, and double is applied at the left side. Okay, so this way we can use the border property in CSS. So sometime we can more use the border in CSS. Say we see this file, look at this file. Sometimes we see the pictures are rounded over here, and sometimes we see the pictures are square like this way. So how we can achieve this? Okay, so how we can achieve this? We just have to simply write say we write over here another class. How we can achieve this? Say we write some id. I'm just giving the name to the id as first. So id always start with the first. So here we go with that. Okay, so this time I want to have, I just simply have used this. So here we just go with this. I'm going to copy it and I'm just pasting it over here. Okay, then we will, in order to make it circle, this is radius is equal to 200 px. It means it is for circle. So here we go with div. We just create division over here, and to this div we will give id, and the name of the id is first. Save this. Look at this, we just have created a circle over here. Look at this, with this we just have created a circle over here. Now we have to insert an image in this. Okay, so what we have to do, we just copy this and I will paste it over here. Control V, save this, refresh it over here. Now here we see that we have inserted a picture over here, but this picture is not inside the circle. You see it, the picture is not inside the circle. So we just do another class over here, or we will write a class for img. Here we select, make the selector as img. Now here simply we just have to use the height and width. Say I border style. I'm just using these three things over here. Control C, and I will paste it over here. Save this. Look at this. Okay, what we have done, we have made the size of the image equal to this div size, we have made the height this side, and we have set the border this. So this way we can insert a image in a circle, that is using the border property. Okay, we can write it the border radius equal to 200 pixels, or we can also make it using the percentage. If we write it 50%, 50%, save this, refresh this. Okay, so this way we can create it. If we wanted to make this to be a square with a rounded corner, so in that case what we can say is, we just put this value, say this 20px, and here also we will go with 20px. What's going to be happen over here, say refresh this. Okay, so this way we can use the border property in CSS. Okay, that's all for this. Have a wish you best. See you soon in the next lesson. That's all for now.